Our next speaker, Abdirahman Daheeye, will do a Khayrhaye recap for us. Abdirahman Daheeye will present a brief in the year in review, highlighting the museum's key achievements, community partnerships, and cultural milestones from 2025, and offering a glimpse into the vision for the year ahead. Everybody welcome Abdirahman Daheeye, who's also a board member. Let's not leave that part out.
Yeah. So I'll be presenting Khayrhaye's, what we did throughout the year, 2025. So I'll just give a little introduction about Khayrhaye, as well as mission and vision, 2025 achievements, partnerships and collaboration, as well as we'll show a little highlight video that will highlight everything that I'm saying, but with obviously in video, as well as major milestones and 2026 vision. So if you could go to the next. So Khayrhaye is Canada's first Somali cultural museum, incorporated May 5th, 2021. We're located at Rito Hub for now, and it's unit 123. So those of you who already seen it. If you didn't see it, come check us out. Obviously. So next, mission and vision. Okay, Khayrhaye's mission is to protect, promote Somali heritage by preserving our artifacts, art, oral traditions, as well as for the future generation. Sorry. Our vision is to become the leading institution dedicated to preserving, celebrating, and teaching Somali culture and history. Next one. So, our 2025 achievements. So in 2025, Khayrhaye continued to grow as a pillar of our community, a guardian of Somali heritage this year. This year we were blessed with several meaningful accomplishments. We hosted the beautiful Eid al-Adha celebration, bringing families together to share joy, food, community. We created a safe and joyful space for children to play, for everyone to celebrate as one. We also collaborated with Somali Center for Family Services and Jewish Family Services to organize a special Somali seniors gathering. This event created a safe and welcoming environment for our elders to enjoy the museum, learn, reconnect with each other and their culture, as well as share stories while we provided them with food and hospitality. Throughout the year, we opened our doors for public museum tours, inviting the wider community to learn about Somali culture, history, and our rich heritage. Next. So we were also proud to represent our culture at several major community events. One of these was the Heritage Day, held on February 15 at the City Hall, hosted by the Capital Heritage Connection. This annual event brings together organizations committed to preserving the region's heritage. It gave us opportunity to network and with other heritage organizations, and showcase our work and introduce Khayrhaye to many people who had never heard of us before. We were honored to participate and look forward to future years. In addition, we presented our cultural artifacts at the Rito Hub Fab Fest, sharing the beauty of Somali heritage with a wider community. We also took part in Africa Day, hosted at Carleton University's Dominion Chalmers Center, standing proudly among other African organizations to celebrate continent's cultural richness. Each of these achievements brought us closer to our mission of preserving, promoting, celebrating Somali heritage with the community support, we look forward to be doing that even more in the coming years. Next. So, partnerships. In 2025, our partnerships were the backbone of our success. We want to take a moment to express our gratitude to the organizations that believed in us, supported our mission, and helped us continue serving the community. First, we extend our deepest thanks to the City of Ottawa, our largest financial supporter. Through their various grants and programs, we have been able to grow, strengthen our operations, and continue preserving the Somali heritage for future generations. Their support has truly allowed our organization to prosper. We also express a heartfelt appreciation to our second largest financial partner, the Somali Center for Family and Services, who are here with us today at this table. Their continued support financially and through volunteers, through every additional resource that they provide has empowered us to carry our work with confidence and stability. We are deeply grateful for their commitment to our mission. We also want to acknowledge the dedication and financial contributions of Suradwe and Samawada. Your partnerships and encouragements and belief in our missions have made a real difference. We appreciate everything you have done on behalf of Khayrhaye, and we value your ongoing commitment and generosity. To all our partners, thank you for walking this journey with us. Your support is not just financial, it is a shared investment in preserving our culture, uplifting our community, and building a stronger future together. Thank you. Next, community. In 2025, community engagement was the strongest pillar, one of our strongest pillar. Khayrhaye had the privilege of connecting with organizations across Ottawa, whether through offering media support, lending volunteers, and providing assistance, or simply participating or showing our presence at important community events. Each engagement helped strengthen relationships and uplift our community and expand our impact. This year, we proudly took part in several key events, including the Samawada Brunch, Harmony of Iftar, building culturally responsive and systems for Black families. Next. Ottawa's next cultural plan, KSIC Hub, and the citywide budget information session for Black and radicalized communities. Through these engagements, we deepen our ties within the community, supported meaningful initiatives, and continue to promote Somali culture and representation in diverse spaces. We are grateful for every opportunity to collaborate, contribute, and stand alongside organizations committed to positive change. Major milestones. In 2025, one of our most significant achievements was the progress we made towards securing a permanent facility for Khayrhaye. We applied for the City of Ottawa's Cultural Major Capital Projects Grant, a program designed to support organizations that are expanding or creating new cultural spaces. This grant process has three major stages: pre-feasibility, feasibility, and established project pros. This year, we successfully completed the first stage, the pre-feasibility study. To accomplish this, the City of Ottawa funded 90% of the project, while we contributed the remaining 10%. We partnered with Nordicity, a consultant firm based in Toronto, to lead the study. Over the course of 6 to 7 weeks, 6 to 7 months, they conducted extensive research, community focus groups, analysis to evaluate the need for a dedicated Somali cultural facility. At the end of this process, they delivered a comprehensive 62-page report, clearly demonstrating the need for a permanent museum and cultural space for Somali community within Ottawa. Completing this stage marks a major milestone for Khayrhaye. It brings us one step closer to building a permanent home where Somali history, culture, and heritage can be preserved, celebrated, and shared for generations to come. So, yeah, we'll just show the video quickly.
So, who are we? We are Khayrhaye, a non-profit organization based in Ottawa. Also, we are the first Somali cultural museum here in Canada. Our main objective is to preserve, promote, and celebrate the Somali heritage. We prioritize safeguarding Somali artifacts, art, and oral tradition for future generations. Khayrhaye's vision is to be the leading institution for preservation, celebration, and education of Somali heritage, culture, and history. Throughout the year of 2025, our volunteers have been teaching the Ottawa community about the Somali way of life through food, artifacts, and conversation. A few memorable examples include Heritage Day. We were invited by the Capital Heritage Connection, which we are a member of. The purpose of Heritage Day was to strengthen the capital area's heritage and history communities. This year's theme highlighted the essential work of heritage professionals. Also, we participated in Africa Day at Carleton University, which is an annual event hosted by the Institute of African Studies, bringing together students, faculty, diaspora members, and the public for discussions, culture, and celebration of African unity and contributions. And who can forget about FabFest 2025? We want to thank Incubator 13 for hosting FabFest again at the Rideau Hub. The festival included exhibitions featuring local artists and innovators, interactive workshops, and hands-on activities. It included family-friendly entertainment and live performances. We were very appreciative to showcase the Ottawa community about the Somali culture. Another part this year was our collaborative efforts to support our partners with their events. It's important for us to volunteer our time, finances, and help in any way we can to make their events a success. Over 2025, we have been a success because of the help of our partners. We want to highlight them and the support they have provided us this year. They helped advertise us in their events, provide a space for our booth pop-ups, and supported us financially in our community events. This includes organizations such as Sura Dwe, Samawada, Somali Hope Foundation, and of course the Somali Center for Family Services. This year, we hosted some celebratory events around the Somali culture. This includes our second annual Eid al-Adha celebration, where we provided traditional Somali food, entertainment for the kids, and teaching sessions of our museum. Our main objective throughout the year was our museum tours. We are proud to have accepted all of the museum tour requests that have come in our inbox. A big thank you to our main knowledge keeper, Kaltun Musa. She is the backbone of the organization, the one organizing the tours and teaching different groups about the Somali culture. This includes private tours from journalists or with other exhibition collaborators. Also, we hosted a seniors collaboration with the GFS and the Somali Center for Family Services. And our biggest milestone that we are proud of this year would be completing the pre-feasibility study. Partnering with Nordicity, which is a consulting firm based in Toronto, we worked together from February to the end of July, providing a pre-feasibility study to the City of Ottawa. We were awarded with the Cultural Facilities Fund grant from the city, and the purpose of the grant was to create a major capital initiative here in Ottawa. We are one step closer to establishing a permanent facility for the Somali Cultural Museum and for the Somali community in Ottawa. In summary, the year of 2025 has been a success of preserving Somali artifacts, teaching Somali way of life to the next generation, and getting closer to completing our major capital community project. We hope to have your continued support and watch our journey in the new year.
Okay. So, as we look ahead to 2026, Khayrhaye is focused on building a stronger foundation for our community and our heritage. Our top priority is moving into second stage of major cultural projects, bringing us closer to securing a permanent Somali cultural facility here in Ottawa. We also plan to introduce new exhibitions that highlight the different parts of our history and identity, while continuing to offer museum tours that welcome schools, families, community groups into our space. And finally, we will expand our collaborative Somali cultural events, working with partners to create programs that celebrate and uplift our culture. 2026 will be a year of growth, progress, deeper community impact, and we look forward to taking these next steps together. Thank you.